actually try to put on makeup today. Maybe I did. Hey beautiful creators, welcome back to Sam's channel where we create memories. Today is Touch Up Tuesday, as we all know, and today we're going to talk about how to give your trays a makeover, those serving style trays or just decorative trays that you have on your coffee tables. We're gonna take those trays that are laying around that needs just a little bit of a makeover or a touch up, give them some new life. So to get started, let us go quickly over the materials that you will need in this makeover or touch up. The first item that you need is your trays. I have 2 of them. The first paint that I will be using is a white chalk paint, and it is from Homedepot or FolkArt. The second paint choice is the same brand and type of chalk paint, but a gray color. The additional items that are commonly used for painting will be listed below in the description. Other than that, we'll get started. First, I am cleaning and sanitizing the trays, making sure to clean off any dust or dirt that might be on them, as they have been sitting around the house for a little bit, not being in use. So clean that off with a regular sponge, dish soap, and then a dry cloth to dry. Once you have dried your trays, you will pour out your paint onto a plastic lid of sorts or a palette and evenly coat the trays roughly, as this is the first coat. So you're just trying to make sure that there is enough to start off the coat, but you will go over it again with the second one more carefully, as that one's the most important. I do recommend closing the lid as soon as you're finished with the container of paint to make the paint last as long as possible without accidentally drying out the paint in the container. Pour the second color into a separate palette or dish, and then the same as the other tray, making sure to cover it as evenly as possible. With this tray, I'm just making it entirely white, so I will be covering most of the tray. You don't really see the bottom, and the bottom has a good base as it is, so I won't be painting the bottom of the tray. But as you completely cover the entire tray, roughly the second coat will be more important. And if needed, we'll add another coat. In the end, I did add a third coat just because the brush strokes and for better coverage, it was just a requirement. A pro tip to using this type of paint is definitely wait about 30 minutes to an hour before putting on the second layer or third layer, as this paint does suggest to take up to 2 hours between coats. However, depending on how heavy of a coat you put on will also determine how long you require to wait. So for the first coat, as you do it roughly, you only needed about 30 minutes, and then the second coat, I applied it a little bit heavier, so it required it a little bit longer, and so forth. So just make sure to adjust your times accordingly to how much you actually paint onto your trays. I want to thank you guys for joining me today on this journey on how to give your tray a makeover. It was an interesting process as the paint did need time to dry, a little bit longer than I was expecting, but if you enjoyed this type of content, or if you just enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like or press that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can see this type of content that comes out every Tuesday, as well as go ahead and check out my Friday videos that come out. Thankful for Fridays for the gaming side of designs. After this video of doing your makeover for your trays, don't forget to share and comment down below. Let me know if you did the same process, if you did anything different, or if you have any suggestions. I'm always here to listen what you guys have to say. Other than that, I hope you guys have a terrific Tuesday, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys! Also, make sure to follow my Instagram down below. See the reveal of the second tray. You don't want to miss it. So go ahead and check that out. This is my second time putting on eyeliner. Yes, it is.